Hi guys, it's Rocco here and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll share with you everything that you need to know about the Celsius short squeeze, how it all started, what is the short squeeze, how you can get involved. I'll share with you some numbers and also the latest news around Celsius. To end the video, I'll share with you my technical analysis and trade setup for Celsius. It's already doubled in price since my last setup that I shared with you. The $1 breakout was amazing. I think it could be breaking out again and heading towards $3. So I'll talk about the fundamentals and explain to you what Celsius is. But as this is a trading channel, I'll share with you my trade setup that you can use to make money as well. Before I get started, go hit that like button, subscribe, comment. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Go follow Otis, Jamers. If you follow my Twitter, these are some of the key people for the Celsius short squeeze. So go follow them, like them, retweet them. Every like, comment, more people that find out about this will help the short squeeze. If they even buy $100, $500, it really helps us out. So hit that like button, comment, subscribe. It will really help get the YouTube algorithm going. So if you want to support this cause, hit that like button. So let's get started with the video, guys. So he tweeted this on 15th of June, guys. The price of more than 10x. He was literally around here when he tweeted this. The price of already 10x, 3,000% up. Since I've got involved, I took my first trade in Celsius. Again, if you follow me on Twitter and on the YouTube live streams. By the way, guys, I've had to cancel the crypto for DGens. I do a crypto live stream every Sunday where I share with you live trades, how I'm trading Bitcoin and all the markets. Try and keep you guys on the right side of the market. I'm on holiday, going on holiday tonight, so I won't be doing a crypto DGens live stream. It will be back next week, so make sure you subscribe. I'll catch you guys next week, and apologies for this mistake, but hopefully this video will help you guys out. So guys, that was my first trade. It doubled in price, really good trade. This one I tried to short squeeze again. It didn't really work out and I got stopped out. I didn't make money on that. My big trade here was from $1, and this is when I started getting involved with the community. I found out more about the short squeeze. I did some Twitter spaces with them. You can check out on my Twitter, and I started holding some as well since $1. And trading wise, it's been beautiful. Look at how the breakouts happen. And even in Bitcoin being down, cryptocurrencies been down, Celsius is going up. All these consolidations have led to big breakouts, and I think breakouts above here. I'll talk about technical analysis at the end of the video. It could head the price towards $3. So let's talk about the fundamentals now, guys. I'll share the trade setup at the end of the video. So Otis tweeted this, about 8.5 million Celsius shorted on FTX a few days ago, now down to 16.5 million yesterday. Short sellers are paying $2,600 to anyone who had a sell to borrow to close their shorts. This is how desperate they are. If Celsians do what Wall Street Bets retail investors did and buy sell all the way up to $3 to $5, short sellers are absolutely messed up and will go bankrupt. This is how Melvin Capital, my channel, my Twitter, I got really involved with the Wall Street Bets, GME short squeeze that happened, and I shared all the content with you on YouTube. This is something similar, and I really like the community. They've been really behind it. And again, things can go wrong, guys. Risk management, put in money you can afford to lose, all that good stuff. Again, my trade setup, I actually closed some sell before the CPI, and then I rebought a bit higher up. So that's all the risk management stuff I talk about on this channel. Please think about them. Don't go all in and all that good stuff. But this is a good opportunity. If the shorts are a lot less than they were, but I think there's still a huge amount of shorts that we can short squeeze. And if there's bearish news and the short squeeze goes up and people start shorting it, we could even pump it more. And if there's more people watching, like I said, hit that like button, subscribe, retweet, and then all the good stuff. If we can get more people involved, we can still get another big short squeeze. We've seen it already. People think if it's too late, it's already doubled in price. And if it starts short squeezing, more people think, oh, it's too high, it might go down, and we could short squeeze them as well. So there's still a big opportunity available. So that's, in my opinion, how it all started. And like I said, I got involved a few weeks ago when I posted. So this is a really good article. Go follow Jade as well. So short squeezes are relatively rare occurrences, but begin with the price of heavily shorted security crypto stock and begins increasing. The short sellers are forced to purchase the shares to cover their positions. This causes significant rapid increase of price of a security, of a stock. This reinforces the price to rise higher. So this is how a short squeeze happen, and all these short squeezes will have to buy back, which increases the buying pressure. And another thing to point out, which this article covers, is that a lot of the Celsius liquidity is locked up, so there's not much tokens available. So since this Celsius is a low liquidity token, because Celsius network has paused withdrawals, an estimated 87% of Celsius token are locked up. I don't know the exact numbers, but I think above 95%, 97% could be locked up, especially with the article chapter 11, when they filed for petition for chapter 11. they're not going to be able to, sell any of these tokens. So they're all locked up. So these people that are shorting, there's not much liquidity. If there's a lot of buying coming up, this could really, get the short squeeze going. So total sell supply 695 million. The treasury owns about 320 million sell tokens. Top 500 owns approximately 100 million, which people took out loans against their sell. Any remaining sell earning interest in people's Celsius wallet unable to be withdrawn. We experienced a squeeze on the 14th of June when shorts bought back 1.5 million. Sell price spiked to $2. We've already experienced it, doubled within hours. It was just a spike up, and that spike up could be absolutely ridiculous. Some people are saying $100 and absolutely ridiculous. Again, I'm not saying all that stuff, but again, it could go something crazy. No one knows in a low liquidity FOMO base how high the price can go. So if you are short sell, what do? You offer 2600 APY to anyone who is willing to lend your sell token, which is exactly what's happening right now. The shorts are desperate, a la Melvin Capital in the GameStop saga. So what you can do to get involved is you can buy sell token on FTX. If you're in the US, you might have to use MEXC or Uniswap. Use an exchange, it has a bigger effect on the sell short squeeze, so use FTX, MEXC. Send tokens to FTX to a private wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. They're saying this, putting the sell order at $100, but you can start putting from $10 if the price starts getting going. I'll talk about trading point of view, but let's carry on with this fundamentals. But yeah, to get involved, set your prices at $100, and they're saying if we get the short squeeze going, it could even go up to $100 and spike up. This is a quick visual version of how you can get involved. You can take a screenshot of it. It basically just goes over what I have explained. So in simple terms, that is what the sell short squeeze. It has been covered by big social media outlets, especially in crypto and also outside of crypto. I've been contacted about the sell short squeeze. You can see Cointelegraph talking about it. Again, a lot of the things they might not say the truth, because there's lots of conspiracy theories and big whales have influence. It's not a conspiracy theory. Big whales do use the media outlet, and not a lot of people want to see this sell short squeeze because people could be losing money and stuff. But a lot of the news outlets are covering. This guy even used my tweets to talk about sell short squeeze, and you can see VGX, by the way, another point to talk about. VGX had a huge short squeeze, and I think Celsius short squeeze could be bigger than the VGX one. So if we go back and see this, how much did this pump? Let me just show you. This pumped about 600% within few hours. So sell short squeeze could do something like this, and I've not seen that happen yet. So looking at the community, lots of other people from VGX are coming over to sell short squeeze, so we could have a big squeeze like this. Currently, these are the current numbers. Let me correct me if I've said anything wrong, or if you've got more up-to-date information, comment below. But at the moment, looking at this, there's about 2.8 million to 2.7 million spot short. This is just an FTX, and you can see the supply of it as well. As long as there's there's big amount of shorts available, even with a little amount of money and with so low liquidity, not much sell available because so much is locked up, this could be a really good opportunity. So that's the news update, guys. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions about Celsius, follow me on Twitter, ask myself, or ask Otis, Jamers. They can help you out. Let's talk about technical analysis then. So my most recent trade was when we had that dip with CPI, and I actually sold before the CPI in case it dumped, and then I had to buy back higher, so it wasn't a good idea to sell. And I said, well, if it breaks above $2 after CPI, I expect a big move, and we saw about a 30% move. Really nice trade around $2.50. So it was a really beautiful trade. Even if you're not looking to support the sell short squeeze, you can trade and make money from it. So one of the trade setups I'm looking at now is above 260. If we start getting back above 260, can you see this simple breakout working? And it's usually in a bull market. I'm not saying this is a trade setup. If you follow me, trading is really hard. You lose money and all that good stuff. But in a bull market, you just buy breakouts and you make money, or you buy support. Look at how these breakouts have worked. These hourly pullbacks and breakouts, they've just been printing money. And this would have worked. This breakout would have worked. This one, I posted it live on Twitter before I took, and I'll post it as well if it happens in the next few hours. I'm still at my desk before I fly out for my holiday. I'll post when it breaks out. But above there, look to buy, and I think we could be heading towards $3. There's a short time frame target, and my medium term target is this. And if the sell short squeeze going, and what this fundamental case I've talked about, what these guys who know a lot more about the sell short squeeze are talking about, it could even get crazy like VGX example that I shared with you. But short time frame trade, something above the red zone, I'll look to trade. If it starts breaking down, then maybe you get out from the short time trade. $2 is a very key level. Maybe $2 I look to buy again. I think there will be other players buying $2. They should at least get a bounce, but high time frame I really wanted to stay above $2, and as long as the shorts are there, we could squeeze them. So that's the video, guys. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions about the sell short squeeze, comment below. I'm sure other guys will help you. Or follow me on Twitter, join Twitter and ask the Celsius short squeeze community. There's a really big community. You can check out their Discord as well. Like I said, I've been really excited. It's literally taken over my Twitter, and I wanted to get a video out to share with you my thoughts on it. So let me know what you guys think. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get this sell short squeeze going.